Here's how to remove BehindMLM from Google search results. First of all, congratulations. If you're on BehindMLM, it's probably because your business is large enough that people are wondering what you do. They've created a hit post about you. This is pretty easy to suppress. On the other hand, if you're in trouble with the SEC and BehindMLM has looked at the SEC indictment and they've written a post about you, I'm deeply sorry because this is a bigger issue and you're going to have to sort that out either in conjunction with your online reputation management campaign or first, because that can create a pretty big problem for business owners. But if you're looking to get rid of this, listen, they're not very friendly. It's not a site that tends to remove it. So what I recommend you do is that you commission real reviews, so you don't get in trouble with the Federal Trade Commission, but create a plan, a repeatable SOP that you can implement so that people who have had success from your program, had success from your business, who had gotten involved and actually enjoyed it and stayed a part of it, can actually go ahead and leave a positive, very long form review. What you want to look for is video influencers, okay? We have those. We help clients with that. We also want to look for people who can write on WordPress. You know, we've seen when we've started one of these campaigns for a client out in Utah, actually, what happened was they suppressed the content by using WordPress, and not an actual website, a .wordpress.com website, okay? We had a whole bunch of people who had gotten involved with the business go and write reviews about it, write very long form reviews. Like these posts are 2,000, 3,000 words. We rinsed and repeated. We did some positive media, so we can write some stories in-house about the business that's clearly promotional, and then we can label it promotional and publish it on third-party news sites, okay? Which means you can go to Fiverr and publish it. You can go to freelancer.com and search for freelancers with blogs, ask to guest post on their websites, and you can also create various other websites for your business. This is another trick. So if BehindMLM is ranking and you only have your business website, maybe some negative Reddit posts we usually see with this, you're just lacking media. Aside from your principal website, create a second one just for reviews. So it can be your company name reviews or your company name community, and create a community and a Facebook group. So you just want to try to own more real estate on the web. You want to control some of the narrative by having people, commissioning people to write positive reviews that are actually very long form, that show their face, that are on their own personal blogs. And then you also want to control some of the narrative on websites like Reddit. So I understand this can become very multifaceted with a lot of different things going on. And the truth is, you just have to get through it. You have to start with, if Reddit is up high, you have to control the conversation on Reddit. Make new Reddit posts, promote those posts. If it's on BehindMLM, you need to suppress BehindMLM, okay? If you can suppress it, you know, within 60 to 90 days, consider that a success. So again, build multiple supplementary websites, suppress it. If you have social media, you're sharing those experiences, great, but we see the best amount of traction through influencers and the people writing reviews on their own blogs that are very long form and very detailed, and getting 20 or 30 people to do it. Like, that is the best way. Not only are you doing your online reputation management campaign this way, but you're actually ensuring that everything gets suppressed at the same time and works towards your business conversion rate. When people see all those positive posts, not only did you fix the negative, but they're more likely to work with you. So this has been another video on how to suppress BehindMLM. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, check out our blog or websites in the description down below, or book a call with us. It's no obligation, totally free, and we will chat with you soon. Thanks for watching.